Good morning, guys. It's our last day here in Amsterdam, and we are heading to the bakery, the Pancake Bakery. Actually, it's about 10 minutes walk from here, from our hotel, and we're gonna go ahead and try it because I've seen a lot of vlogger. They're vlogging about the Pancake Bakery, and they said it's really good. So we're gonna go down there right now and try it, and we'll be really busy today, guys. We have our boat tour going on, and we're probably gonna be looking around. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, guys, we found it. It's right here, just about 10 minutes walk.
You know what you want?
I'll have your pancake omelette with cheese, ham, and mushrooms. And ham in it.
And cheese and mushrooms?
Yeah.
I'll have your omelet with bacon, cheese, and mushrooms.
That is still water, and in the flask, in the bucket in there, we have Jenever, aka Dutch gin.
Nice.
And Dutch gin, we drink from these glasses. Now they're called shot glasses, but we don't shoot Jenever. We just sip it. If you're going to shoot it, you won't mind getting the tour. In that case, when you fall asleep, the front deck is yours. Even if it is raining. Yeah. Now, we Dutch people, we are pragmatic. And the Amsterdammers top the Dutch in pragmatism. If you order a Jenever in the bartender will give you an empty glass. He will then bring up the bottle and fill it up to the rim and then some. He calls the glass with a head. And in order to prevent spilling, your first sip is that you lean forward without hands and take a sip like this. The only reason for that is so that the bartender can see if you're drunk. If you fall over, he won't serve you. One glass fits all other drinks. And all the drinks are here behind me. Full board. Any room mistakes? This is sparkling water. It's not beer. I thought I'd mention it, although you're surprised looking at your face when you open it and find out yourself. That's surprising. But you are by far the best tipper, so there you go. The bottom door here, white wines and rosés.
Wow.
On the platters we've got some snacks, and along the way we'll be getting bitterballen.
We're from Oregon
Yep.
State. We actually went to Iceland, and from Iceland to here. We came here last Wednesday.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we're heading to Italy.
Italy. Oh, nice.
My son, traveling with my son. So
Nice. Really good.
thank you.
Obviously the favorite child.
It's my only son.
So his favourite child.
My daughter is at home.
So, asking the son, what's the biggest surprise here?
Here, the architecture. I like that. The buildings, the churches is really cool. And
Amazing.
the people. Yeah, there's a lot. Compared to Oregon back home.
Like people? A lot of people? A lot of
A lot of
architecture.
people.
Okay, a lot of people, yeah. Well, this still mean when do you get to London? That's really big. But they're nice to have you here.
Thank you.
You know. So the Frank house is going to be on the left, right there, where the yellow boat is moored.
No, in Frank house. Okay.
This is on the Frank house, yeah. Until about 10 years ago, private investors, right? So the government was in The Hague, yet the money was here. So these provinces needed an embassy here. You might recognize the names of Holland and Zealand, where Holland. Now, 12 years ago, a law was passed that stated that coffee shops were no longer allowed to sell weed to non-Dutch citizens. Yeah, right.
To non what?
We're to non-Dutch citizens. We're still not complying with that law 12 years later. Honestly, we're not. Now, another law, and this was a lot stricter, stated that coffee shops were not allowed to be closer than 200 meters, 200 yards to a secondary school where our 12 to 18 years go to school. Bit of problem because behind here is the Leidseplein, we're one of the oldest coffee shops in Amsterdam, the Bulldog, in a former police station. And around the corner, one of the most prestigious secondary schools for already 2 centuries. Now, we solved this in a brilliant way. We sent a group of civil servants there and they serve the area and discovered that most of the pupils use the rear door entrance to enter the school. And if you walk from the coffee shop around the school to the rear door entrance, you're way over 200 meters by 1.5 meters. Alright, problem solved. Now, guys, this is where I'm going to get the bitterballen on the boat. Anybody tried bitterballen before?
No.
Okay, then I can safely say my balls are the best. If you make sure you have a beverage when I come back, preferably alcoholic. Has nothing to do with the bitterballen, but that's better for our tips. I'm going to show you how to eat them in a proper way, and if you order them again somewhere else, and you're going to eat them the way I'm going to show you to, people are actually going to think you're Dutch. It's a very easy assimilation course into Dutch culture. No language skills needed, and most importantly for Dutch culture, they're cheap. You alright? Okay.
You're welcome.
Secondly, you ignore them because they're bloody hot. They've just been deep fried. You will burn your mouth. Now that is part of the experience. So after waiting for a while, and this, you define a while by creating the spirit by doing it more often. You pick up a bowl and whilst making conversation, you drop in the mustard from like there. There's only one drop, guys. There's no double dipping. And you take a bite out of the corner.
Oh, it's hot.
You still burn your mouth. Now, here, enjoy them.
Thank you.
Pass it around, yeah. So we are in front of Anne Frank house. This is the hotel that we were staying in for 3 nights and 4 days, and it's really close to the train station, about a quarter-mile walk. This very nice hotel is just right there in town that you can see a lot of stores, a lot of restaurants nearby to this hotel. Very nice hotel, guys. As you can see, we have these 2 twin beds in here for me and for my son, and they do have a flat screen TV. He's whistling right now. He's happy. Anyway, there's a place in there where you can make your coffee for hot water, a mini fridge where you can put your stuff for cooling, and then they have this sliding door to get into the bathroom. They have their walk-in shower, very nice shower, very nice hot water. Of course, they have their very nice sink, toilet, and underneath there they have their blow dryer, set of towels, very nice bathroom. I can't complain. And then they have this closet, a small closet where you can hang your clothes. You can fold your clothes. As you can see, I have my clothes in there, and also safe where you can put your important stuff safely. And then I'll take you guys to this window. They have these 2 chairs in here to sit. And also right next to this building is just another building. We don't have a view.